Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. There's a systems thinking saying that the quick way out usually leads straight back in. You know how it is. You have a problem. The wheel is squeaking. So instead of getting to the root cause and fixing that, you do the quick fix, which gets you past the immediate problem. You apply some oil to the squeaking wheel and for a while it stops squeaking. But then the wheel falls off. The whole system shuts down, and not only do you have the expense of installing a new wheel, but you've lost all that time the wheel is down and not being productive. Perhaps you have a cash crunch problem right now. You decide you're going to save costs leaning out the business. You've satisfied the owners, but what are you going to do to replace the knowledge that just walked out the door? How are you going to motivate who's left? I read a story of the fabled Tai Chi Ono who sent one of his underlings to fix a problem of an oil leak on a piece of equipment. After trying 7 times, the apprentice eventually got to the root cause and fixed the problem. He went back to Ono and asked him, "Sensei, I'm sure you have experienced this problem before. If you knew the answer, why did you make me go back 7 times until I found the problem?" Ono replied, "Because now you know the answer." To avoid fixes that backfire, be sure to understand the root cause of the problem so that the quick way out doesn't lead straight back in. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.